हम कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet? When will we meet? मैं कल आऊँगा वहाँ। I will come tomorrow there. I will come tomorrow there. तुमने अच्छा किया। You did good. You did good. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? Do you know? यह तुम्हारा घर है। This is your home. This is your home. मेरे पास आओ। Come near me. Come near me. वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? दूसरों को मत बताना। Don't tell others. Don't tell others. यह नया है। It's new. It's new. गाड़ी में बैठ जाओ। Get in the car. Get in the car. मेरे साथ चलो। Come with me. Come with me. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे ध्यान देना चाहिए। I should pay attention. I should pay attention. जोर से बोलो। Speak loudly. Speak loudly. क्या आप ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? हमें जल्दी जाना है। We have to go early. We have to go early. मैं बीमार हूँ। I am sick. I am sick. मुझे तुम पे भरोसा है। I trust you. I trust you. तुम यहाँ आ सकते हो। You can come here. You can come here. इसे वहाँ रख दो। Put it there. Put it there. तुम यह ले सकते हो। You can take it. You can take it. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? इसे बाहर निकालो। Get out this. Get out this. पानी मत पियो। Don't drink water. Don't drink water. दिमाग से काम लो। Use your brain. Use your brain. हम गाना सुनेंगे। We will listen song. We will listen song. उसे गाली मत दो। Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए? What should you do? What should you do? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए था? What did you need? What did you need? पेंसिल का उपयोग करो। Use the pencil. Use the pencil. अपना बाल बना लो। Comb your hair. Comb your hair. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है। I need this. I need this. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? यह मेरा है। This is mine. This is mine. मुझे यह समझ नहीं आ रहा है। I am not understanding it. I am not understanding it. तुम यह क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? मुझे उससे बात करनी है। I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. तुमने यह कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? मुझे यह बहुत पसंद है। I really like this. I really like this. यह बहुत सस्ता है। This is very cheap. This is very cheap. यह किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? मुझे उस पर गर्व है। I am proud of him. I am proud of him. तुम्हें जाना चाहिए। You should go. You should go. तुम यह कर सकते हो। You can do this. You can do this. मुझे इसका कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं था। I had no idea about this. I had no idea about this. तुम इसे बेहतर कर सकते हो। You can do better. You can do better. यह समय आ गया है। The time has come. The time has come. मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ। I am coming back. I am coming back. तुम मुझे बताओ। You tell me. You tell me. मुझे यहाँ रहना है। I want to stay here. I want to stay here. मुझे वह चाहिए। I want that. I want that. तुमने यह कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? तुम इसे क्यों लाए? Why did you bring this? Why did you bring this? मुझे अब जाना चाहिए। I should go now. I should go now. तुम्हारी राय क्या है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मुझे वहाँ जाना है। I need to go there. I need to go there. मुझे डर लग रहा है। I am scaring. I am scaring. यह बहुत कठिन है। This is very difficult. This is very difficult. मुझे वहाँ नहीं जाना है। I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. तुमने यह कैसे पाया? How did you find it? How did you find it? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? यह कौन कर सकता है? Who can do this? Who can do this? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है। I need it. I need it. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मुझे उससे डर लगता है। I scare from this. I scare from this. तुम क्यों रुके? Why did you stop? Why did you stop? यह बहुत छोटा है। This is too small. This is too small. आपका दिन कैसा था? How was your day? How was your day? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? क्या आपको यह पसंद आया? Do you like it? Do you like it? आप इसे बदल सकते हैं। You can change it. You can change it. क्या तुम काम करोगे? Will you do work? Will you do work? कैसे बताऊं? How to tell? How to tell? यह मेरी पसंद है। This is my choice. This is my choice. मैं जा रहा हूँ। I am going. I am going. मुझे यहाँ मत बुलाओ। Don't call me here. Don't call me here. कोई नहीं आया। Nobody came. Nobody came. तुम वापस कब आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? तुम वहाँ जाओ। You go there. You go there. यह बहुत महंगा है। It is very expensive. It is very expensive. मुझे याद नहीं है। I don't remember. I don't remember. यह बंद है। It is closed. It is closed. मैं अब ठीक हूँ। Now I am fine. Now I am fine. मुझे और चाहिए। I need more. I need more. बच्चों का ध्यान रखना। Take care of children. Take care of children. मुझे गलत मत समझो। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. मुझे यह करने दो। Let me do this. Let me do this. मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ। I am coming back. I am coming back. मुझे नहीं चाहिए। I don't need. I don't need. अब क्या करना चाहिए? What should do now? What should do now? पहले इसे पढ़ो। Read this first. Read this first. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? यहाँ ध्यान दो। Focus here. Focus here. क्या यह अच्छा है? Is it good? Is it good? मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy now. I am busy now. मेरा दोस्त उदास है। My friend is sad. My friend is sad. उसका विश्वास मत करो। Don't trust him. Don't trust him. मुझे माफ़ कर दो। Forgive me please. Forgive me please. यह मत भूलो। Don't forget this. डोंट फॉरगेट दिस।